Okay, this is the PB 7.0 kit bag from myself and Velocity Pro Gear. This was the first kit bag that I designed. A lot of love went into this. The story behind this was, as a tradesman, I use kit bags all the time, but I could never find the perfect bag, and it led me to designing this. So it's got everything that I think you need on it from a kit bag. I'm going to talk it through with you now. So the first thing you'll notice is the handles, dual purpose handles. If you pull the sides out like this, we can use that for something like a spirit level. Slide it through there, and then when you pull the handle up to lift the bag, it will trap it in. You can do that both sides, spirit level, copper tube, timber, pipe benders, whatever you want in there. It's too long to get inside the main kit bag. On the front of the bag, pocket variation, we've got two bigger pockets there. They'll take little sets. We've got a zip pocket there, nice and deep for smaller bits that you don't want to lose. Rather than go with the same on the back, broke it up a bit. We've got two medium-sized pockets, and then again we've got that nice big zip pocket. On the end of the bag, smaller for pens, and then we've got a double tape loop. Most people will have a big 8 meter and then maybe a smaller 3 or 5, or if you're using one of these mini Stabila levels on there like that. And then on the opposite end, we've got some more pen or screwdriver holders, a loop there for your tape. And then this section here is magnetic, so if you've got a laser level, you can actually stick that to your bag and then use it to point your laser around the room. It's great for hanging radiators. On the top of the bag, we've got a nice chunky YKK zip. The bag's supported in all 4 corners, reinforced steel rods, so it's really is a solid bag. On the underside of the lid, great feature this, long screwdrivers, 300mm plus. They'll slot in there like that, and you can still close the lid. And then we've got a nice full length zip pocket and get what you want in there. On the inside of the bag, really spacious. The idea behind this was vertical storage to keep your tools nice and tidy, easily accessible, easily identifiable. Also a nice big area in the middle, power tools, tubs, stuff that doesn't suit vertical pockets you find in a lot of kit bags. We've got a clear zip pocket there, so you can see smaller things while they're in the bag and they don't get lost. The removable plastic tub, again, things like plumbers would use, pipe slices, tubs of paste, bottles of spray, and that clips in on a metal tape loop. For maximising the use of space, obviously we don't want anything too bulky in there because then you won't get the tub out. We've got a full length pocket there. It's great for cables, for charging things, even slide your mobile phone in there. It's nice and accessible. On the opposite end of the bag, you see we've got this big Velcro pocket. The bag actually ships with a waterproof work mat. The bag's really got everything you need. So just to give you an example of what we can get in there, combi drill, stood up. We've got room for plumb tub in there, vertical storage pockets, got a screwdriver there. You'll see when we put it in, it doesn't stick proud of the bag, so you'll still be able to shut the top. The only thing you need to be careful with this bag is you can get so much kit in it, it can become quite heavy. That's why we introduced the 6.5 camo. It's pretty much identical to the bag you've just seen, but it's about 30% smaller. And we removed the work mat from the end, and we've got 2 nice big pockets in there. So if you've got anything like screwdriver sets or pre-made socket sets and pouches, they'll go in there. And that's the 6.5 camo and the 7.0.